Hey, yo, we at work, right?
Ain't that what time of week, nigga?
It's 5:22. We've been since 2 o'clock. The machine's been broken. And they called this guy to the mechanic guy. This motherfucker white boy right here. The nigga been at this for like 3 hours. He said nothing. No response.
He's an FBI agent, dog. You want to work for them?
Hey, what's your name, sir? That's why I have Portuguese, so we call him Port and Cheese. Hey, Taylor. Taylor getting down. Okay, what do you think about the mechanic in this fucking business, man?
You gotta get him from both sides.
What do you think about the mechanics in this building?
No.
Hey, do you have anything to say to our camera?
I'm gonna break that camera.
Yeah. Shout out to mechanics here, they all suck. Yo, man, you make that machine work or what?
Yo.
Yeah, we lose the man money because of our mechanics.
You ain't Jerry, dog. You ain't Jerry. I'm gonna come back over here.
Hey, yo, I've been there at work for like 3 hours, we didn't do shit, so we stuck in the mechanics.
That's free money, nigga. That's free money.
Motherfuckers just fuck around this bitch. Alright, man. Let's see what we can do. Hey, Taylor! Hey, Taylor! Are you gonna fix our fucking machine?